Siyakukhumbula though we couldn't say goodbye, we hold you in our hearts. We lost a soldier, we lost a guide, a father's love we held inside. But life moved fast, we couldn't stay to lay you down the proper way. Asizange sivalelise kahle, asizange sihlangane lapho lele khona. Inhliziyo zethu zisinda namuhla, kodwa uthando lwakho luhlala kithi. Even in the silence we feel you near. Through every memory you're still here. Sizohlangana Futhi Baba. One day we'll meet again. Though we couldn't say goodbye, your love will never end. Siyakuthanda, siyakukhumbula. Every moment, every day. Rest in peace, Baba wetu. In our hearts you'll always stay. Oh Baba, siyakukhumbula. We miss you. You were a man who stood so strong, a man of truth, a man of word, full of love, full of grace. Your presence we can't replace. Babu sifundisa indlela. Even in your stubborn ways, there was wisdom in your days. Now we see it more and more. Sizohlangana Futhi Baba. One day we'll meet again. Though we couldn't say goodbye, your love will never end. Siyakuthanda, siyakukhumbula. Every moment, every day. Rest in peace, Baba wetu. In our hearts you'll always stay. We see you in our children's smiles, in the strength that carries us miles, in every step, in all we do. A part of us still lives in you. Siyakubona ebantwaneni bethu, kulo buntu obuhle obuphakathi kwabo. Uhlala kithi, awuzange uhambe, uphila phakathi kwethu. Though the pain is hard to bear, we find peace in knowing where you are, resting free from pain. And one day we'll meet again. Baba, lalela ngokuthula. Sizokubona futhi, sizokubona futhi. Sizohlangana Futhi Baba. We will meet again someday. Through the tears, through the pain, your love will light the way. Siyakuthanda, siyakukhumbula. Till we meet again above. Rest in peace, Baba wetu. Wrapped in everlasting love. We'll meet again. Siyakukhumbula Baba. Sizohlangana futhi, siyakuthanda, siyakuthanda.